How to download music for offline listening on Boomplay. Step 1. Download and set up the Boomplay app. Search Boomplay on the Google Play Store or App Store and install it. It comes pre-installed on some Tecno, Infinix, and itel phones. Create your account using your email or sign up with Google or Facebook since you need an account to save songs and access your library across devices. Step 2. Find the song you want to download. Use the search icon at the down section right here. Click the search bar and input the songs you want to download. After inputting the song you want to download, maybe your preferred song is Yeshu, Yarama, you are going to input it, scroll down and click on the song. Step 3. Tap the download icon on the song. As you can see, we have the like button, the follow button, the download button, and other section. So you are going to click on the download button right here. You can also open the song to start playing it, then hit the download icon directly on the player's cover art screen. Step 4. Select your quality and confirm the download. As you can see, we have the light, which is 1.4 MB, the standard 2.8 MB, and premium, which is for VIP. So you will click on whatever you prefer and you can successfully download it. So you click on download. Step 5. Access your downloaded song offline. Now, after doing that, to access your downloaded song offline, you are going to navigate to the library section, click on download and local music. So right here, your song is going to appear. As you can see, I have the Yeshu Mirror Armor on the top of my songs. So next time you want to listen to it offline, you can easily come here and click on it.